If you need a quick dessert, easy to make and relatively inexpensive, you landed in the right place. Hi, my name is Marius and welcome to Marius Makes. This cake is not a traditional Spanish tarta de Santiago, as I didn't use the exact ingredients, but it is similar. I flavored it with lemon and cardamom, and ooh la la, it's moist and not too sweet with a balanced flavor, and on top of it all it's gluten-free. Here's how to make it. In a mixing bowl, add 5 eggs, 250 grams of sugar, the zest of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of ground green cardamom, 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, or you can use vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Whisk the ingredients together with an electric mixer until the mixture becomes fluffy, pale, and doubles its volume. This could take up to 8 minutes. The last ingredient goes in at this point, and that is 250 grams of ground almonds. Whisk the almonds in until well combined. Grease and line an 8-inch or 20 cm diameter cake tin with a removable bottom. Pour the cake batter into the tin and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. When the cake is baked, take it out of the oven and allow it to cool completely at room temperature. When cooled, it is ready to serve. Remove it from the tin, dust it with icing sugar, or enjoy it as it is. I had mine with a dollop of creme fraiche. And there you have it, lemon and cardamom almond cake. Simple, easy, and anyone can whip it up in minutes. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, you can find more home cooking videos and recipes on my channel, so go check it out. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on cooking!